What's going on, everybody? Wilson here with Zion Racing Team. Got another edition, a little quick video again. We are with the Miata, as you can see, the little 91A NA Miata, and we're getting ready for a meet this weekend. And we got a little style bar. I kind of pulled back the top and the little carpet there. It's going to be pretty straightforward. It's just a fashion bar, style bar, not a roll bar that we got online. And it says it's just going to pretty much bolt into the bolt that's over there that you can see, and it's got one on this side, and then you might have to make a couple bolts holes here in this section. So when I line it up, I'm going to check it out, but just kind of want to give you guys a little intro about it, and just gonna be a quick little speedy video just to show you how the style bar comes about, and we'll let you in on a little secret right after it's done. See here is basically where the style bar is going to be in place at. Nice little gloss black one that we got. As you can see, there's bolt hole there and there on that side, and then it looks like there's some bolts here that we may be able to use with a spacer. It did come with a little kit, a little bag here with a bunch of washers and a bunch of stuff, some bolts, so maybe there's stuff in here to breach that gap so that it reaches. I will let you know in just a second. Stay tuned. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I put in a bolt just to hold it in place as a reference, and then I stuck a pick down in here so that I know where the bolt hole is. I'm going to want to hide these underneath the carpet. I don't want to bolt it like that because it just looks cheesy. Plus they did provide these little rubber grommets so that it doesn't vibrate on the metal. So we're gonna go ahead and do that, but what I wanted to do is get a focal point so I can know where I'm gonna cut a little hole in the carpet and slide these brackets into it so that it looks like a clean install, like there's not even brackets in the middle here. And then I'm gonna go ahead and mark that, cut a little hole, and show you how it looks afterward, and then you'll see how it just kind of hides it in place. Alright guys, trial and error, sometimes when you order stuff online and it doesn't come with directions, you gotta trial and error. So come to find out, when I installed it the other way, it was leaning forward a little bit, like that way, which I didn't like. So I spun it around, and turns out that's the way it's really supposed to go, is this way. So those ugly slits that I made in the carpet, I messed up. I'm gonna have to make more slits on this side so that I can get these in and bolt back into those same bolt holes. Just something that happens. Luckily it's not super high-end stuff that I had to worry about too much, but still kind of sucks because now I got these holes in the carpet that were unnecessary. Luckily the carpet's kind of a way where you can't really tell too bad, but now that you're seeing the video, you're gonna know if you see me. But hey, that's what happens. Just want to do it the right way, and check it out when I'm done. Alright everybody, got it installed. Took a little finessing, was a little more difficult. Luckily, those mistakes I made earlier ended up having to make more of a little pocket so that I could get in there and get to the bolts that are in there. So it actually kind of helped that I made those holes. Yeah, they're a little obnoxious. Probably could have just mounted it on top and put a hole through the carpet. But then you would have seen the brackets, and I don't think that would have looked good. As you can see there, it's just bolted there, has a little rubber grommet at the bottom of the bar. The two other brackets are inside, bolted to two other 10 millimeters that were already there, and then the other one here. I think for a style bar, you know, obviously it doesn't serve a purpose in a rollover. It's just for looks. It kind of gives the car that extra little look that it needed, just to have something there when you have the top down, so it looks a little sportier. But like I said, disclaimer, it's not a roll bar, it's actually just a style bar, so it's just there for looks, and don't expect it to save your life in an accident. So you know, if you plan on racing the car or, you know, doing wild things with the car, I would recommend basically putting on a real roll bar, one that bolts to the chassis, one that's made for if you roll over. This is just a style bar. So the little secret that I was going to tell you is that there is a Miata show coming up, and we will be giving one of these away at the Miata show. So if you are coming to the Miata show, check us out, Zion Racing Team. We'll be there, and we'll be having a raffle. It's a free raffle. You don't have to purchase anything, and we'll be giving one of these away. So hope you guys like this little short video. Please like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. Zion Racing Team on Facebook, Instagram, and on YouTube.